Good morning, everyone. Welcome today. Daily Sudoku practice continues. Yes, today on Saturday, it's weekend. Yes, Saturday, May the 13th, 2023. Here we have the daily newspaper. Saturday, May the 13th, 2023. We have two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the medium Sudoku. We have also this one I will solve in a minute. And this one, the Samurai Sudoku, I will solve this tomorrow on Sunday. Yes. But in the daily newspaper, not so good news because we have here a puzzle page. Puzzle page with the tectonic with no stars, two binaries 10 by 10, and Sudoku with 3 stars. Here one, there one, and a killer Sudoku. 6 puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tonight. And the other 2, well, because there's no additional in this newspaper. No additional. Let me show you, no additional. With 7 extra puzzles. Yeah. What I will do is I will solve the other 2 in the puzzle page, and also in the yesterday's newspaper on Friday, May the 12th. Yeah. Look, no extra puzzles, no additional. All right. What I will do is here is the additional of yesterday, Friday, May the 12th. 3 puzzles are left. Letter Sudoku. Sudoku with 0 stars and a tectonic with 1 star. I will do this in the evening of Sunday. But first, let me start this one. Medium Sudoku. Yeah, medium Sudoku. Well, is it a medium? Well. Because the medium, a couple weeks ago, the medium has always 26 printed digits. Well, it's getting more. This one has 29 printed digits. Don't know if it's a medium anymore. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, it should be easy. In additional, it should be easier than a 1 star. But for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, we'll see if this is really a 1 star. This one will be number 6427. Alright, 3 minutes already passed. Let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left with 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only 3 places left with 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the last row, no 8 there, so the only place left with 8 should be there. We have 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 8. Number 8. 1. Then. Let me see. Well, we have a pair here. 1 and a 2. So you need a 4 here. Okay. 1 and a 2. We have a pair. We have a 1 and a 2 in the first row. The 1 and a 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes. There's a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So now we have 5 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 4 in this column. No 4 there, here, 4 in that column. So no 4 there, so only place left with 4 should be there. Now we have 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. 6, 9, and a 3. Okay. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, now only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here, 7 in the row below, so no 7 there, so the only place left for the 7. Should be there, alright. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in the middle column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6. And a 3, of course. Yeah, we have a pair again. 3 and a 6 in the first column. 3 and a 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Here we have a 2 and a 1. 7 and 9. And 4. Yeah. We have a pair again. The 4 and a 7 in the third row. 4 and a 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. So we have a 1 and a 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Alright. The 9, 9, okay. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 4 and a 7, we have a 7 now in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 4 goes there. Do we have all the 7s? Yes, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Wait. And now. Let me think. 5, 1, and then, well, we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for number 1. Then how about the 1 in this column, the 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. And look, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2 and a 1. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. Alright, 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, okay. 1, 5, 4, okay. Two missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Alright. 4 and 5. 6, 6. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, I need a 6 here. Need a 6 there, yeah. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be in one of these 3 boxes. Yeah. So that means we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in one of these 3 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 6 will be here, here, or there. Here, here, or there. We see another 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here, another 6 in this row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Do we have all the 6s? No. Well, in this column, we need a 6. 1, 2, yeah. 2 missing numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 6, 6. Cannot continue. And we have a pair again, 3 and a 6 in this column. 3 and a 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and 6. And look, we have a 6 here. That means that this box cannot be a 6 anymore. So the 6 should be in one of these 2 boxes. Okay. The other pair in this big square, the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Need a 9 here. 1 box left in the first row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. 5, 5, 5, yes. Alright. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next to the last column. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. I've marked this box with 3 or a 6. We have a 3 now, so this box should be a 6 then. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 now in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Do we have all the 6s? And no, the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 6. Number 6. Digit number 3. Number 6. How about the 5? No, 5 I cannot. Then. Let me see. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And the ones are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing, 4 and 5, 4 and 5, we have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. We have a 5 in the last row, 5 in that row, so the row between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Find no 2 numbers in this big square, same numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. Finish 60 minutes. Minus 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page, and tomorrow the Samurai Sudoku. A lot of puzzles. And also in tomorrow evening, the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. So, see you then. Bye-bye for now.